Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Naomi. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're new here, please go and subscribe. And if you're not new here, hey girl, hey. Welcome to my skincare video plus a little eyebrow maintenance. I decided to film this video because, I've been loving my skin lately, and although it may not be blemish free, it is still my skin. So I'm applying some Blistex to the lips because I am starting off on freshly dry skin. I cleansed, and so I let all the water dry up, and I'm going to go ahead and apply a mask. I was deciding between the Revolution charcoal mask and then this Sephora vitamin C mask. I ended up picking the Sephora vitamin C mask just because I felt like my face needed some brightening to it. It's been a little dull a little lately, so I wanted to add some vitamin C, get that brightness going, okay? I love this mask. This mask was only like $10, I think, at Sephora, and I was like, you know what, why not? So I'm just gonna apply that really quick. I'm only gonna apply it to the lower half of my face, so that way I can focus the top half of my face on my brow maintenance. I didn't want to get any wax on the mask, so I just went ahead and applied it to the bottom, and then we're gonna go ahead and wax the brows. So I'm using the GIGI all-purpose honey wax, and I'm just going to be cleaning up my brows. Now this is my first time using wax, well, hot wax at that. I've used wax strips, but most times you guys have seen me do like Nair on my brows, so I decided to use wax this time, and honestly I'm very impressed. I'm still learning how to use it, but nonetheless it still worked. I'm just applying it to where I want my brows to clean up at. Literally, I've been doing my brow maintenance for years now. I've gotten my brows done professionally twice. Other than that, I've been doing it myself, and I have no problem with it. I'm learning to kind of just go with the motion of my actual brows and go with the natural shape that it has. So it has been a little difficult as far as, just keeping that good natural shape, but I still love the shape that I came out with today. So I'm going to be using the little towelettes, I think that they're called, that came in the kit. And at first I'm going to do my unibrow because that unibrow has to go. It's not as strong as it used to be when I was younger, but I notice it and I know it definitely has to go. I do have a unibrow. It doesn't grow as fast, but yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish waxing up my eyebrows and removing all that unwanted hair. Once I finish waxing my brows, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the mask to the top half of my face and add a little bit more at the bottom half. Then I'm gonna let this sit for a good 10 minutes. And while I'm letting it sit, I'm gonna go ahead and trim my brows with some brow scissors. Now these are brand new. I had to throw away my old ones because they're just old. I got some brand new ones from TJ Maxx. I'm just going to trim up the top half, not too much, just a little bit, and then I'm also going to tweeze out the hairs that I did not get with the wax. Now time for skincare. I'm going in with the COSRX Snail MUCIN Power Essence. Been using this for about a month now, and it has like this jelly-like consistency. It is very like sticky and kind of tacky, but it feels really chilling on the face, and this is what it looks like. And I like to apply it onto my hands first, then I'll rub it in together and I will pat it on to my damp or wet face. I like to apply these while my face is still wet because that way it doesn't create like a film on my face. I've noticed that with the hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary, it kind of does that if your face is dry. So I always go in straight after like applying my water. After rinsing off, I go ahead and apply the Power Essence, and I really like this product. It's just nice and tacky, as you guys can see. It just feels really nice. It glides on nicely and it's just really nice. Then I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer. This is the Pond's cream. I've been using this for a while now. It's nice and creamy. You guys know this is like an OG product that I have. I don't know, I haven't found anything else. The only other product that I feel like kind of compares is the water cream from LANIEGE, but you know, that's a little bit more expensive and out of my price range. So I stick with what I know. I'm going to apply the Pond. Now I am going to rub this in for a little while, but not too much. I will allow it to sit, and I also do a little bit of patting as well. And I'm just gonna allow this to sit. That way it can just like nicely marinate on my face and allow the product to actually seep into my skin without moving. After moisturizer, I'm going to go in with the plant-derived Squalane from The Ordinary. Really love this product. Has replaced my rosehip oil that I used to use, which is a little bit heavier than this one. The Squalane oil is a lot lighter than the rosehip, so that's why I really like, and it's super affordable. I'm just going to apply it with the dropper. Now I'm not going to allow the dropper to touch my face because that will cross-contaminate the whole bottle, so I just allow it to just drop onto my face, and like I do with everything else, I'm going to just pat it in. Now this gives like a kind of like a sealant to like everything else that's on my face. I definitely like to go underneath my eyes, around my mouth, because those are my most dry areas, and really just take my time to pat it in. I will allow this to sit a little while before I move on to my next product, because I mean, hello, you have to look at the skin. Like, just look at it. I'm sorry, I'm just that girl, period. Okay, I will next go in with the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I really like this. I got it as a gift set. A little goes a long way. I do plan on purchasing my own big bottle. I don't know when, but I will. I really like this. It smells great, and my lips get really dry. Like, they get really dry, and they've been peeling quite a lot lately, so I try to like treat them. Okay, I try to treat them. Then last step, it is the CERVAE healing ointment. Now you're probably wondering why an ointment. I have dry skin, so I need to lock in as much moisture as possible, and I need to repair my skin. Okay, it gets dry, so I'm just going to apply that all over my face. I like to let all my other products sit, and then I will apply this right before bed. And this is pretty much all the products that I use. Okay guys, like, very simple. I try to keep my skincare very simple. Nothing, no 30-step. This is it. Like, this is it. And look at my skin. I'm looking like a glazed donut. Okay, babe? I hope that you guys like this video. Please comment down below. I will have everything linked down below in the description box. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace out. Bye.